Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to open Regedit Editor using run command. So guys, if you want to open Registry Editor Regedit using run command, so very easy. First the Windows key plus Alt key type here Regedit. After click on OK. There it is. Once again Windows key plus Alt key type here Regedit. Click on OK. There it is. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to open registry editor Regedit using run command. That is. Thank you for watching this video. Please say this video useful or not, and share and subscribe, like this video and subscribe for latest update.